Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Jason here. Today, we're back again with three awesome stocks that is going to be growing in the near future. Some of these even more than doubling their current price. If you guys could hit the like button below. Also, if you're on a sub, think about hitting the sub button. That way you guys get updated on all the new videos. Usually post a stock video every day. Also do a market watch in the morning live stream. If you guys are interested in stuff like that, make sure to hit the sub button. And hey, we'll get right into it. Also, right now with Webull, the link in the description, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. We just had a few people get some Facebook stocks the other day, valued about 253 bucks right now, which is super crazy. So if it's something you guys will be interested in and want to get 2 free stocks from Webull for $1,600, up to $1,600, make sure to hit the link in the description below. First off, we're going to start with RMO Power. RMO Power is an energy technology company focusing on designing and manufacturing lithium batteries modules and packs for commercial electric vehicles. So if EV is your thing, this is a great stock. It's very undervalued right now. They're going to be pretty much competing with kind of like Tesla, but more in the commercial market. They're making batteries that are going to last way longer than most batteries do, which is a big thing right now. It's the reason why you don't see a lot of EV commercial things because there's not a lot of batteries that can last that long. So this right here, RMO has a big. I mean, right now it's selling for $8.40 a share. I would not doubt it if this stock is selling for around $80 a year from now, maybe even more. They enable sustainable transportation by delivering batteries with a shorter charge times. The company's module include HERMS modules for trucks and buses, and Brown Recluse, a passive cooling system designed to maximize heat transfer coefficient and integrate into various vehicle types and system configurations across the voltage and capacity ranges. RMO Power is headquartered in Vernon, California. I'm going to read you guys this real quick. RMO Power, which obviously is on this list right here, is a SPAC in this list, one looking to make its name for itself in electrical vehicle batteries. In fact, the company was founded by a team of ex-Tesla and SpaceX engineers. Yet, instead of making an entire electrical vehicle, RMO is focused on making the very best battery packs in the world in a flexible modular design and aimed at the large commercial vehicle market. So if this is something you guys haven't got into, obviously if you're an EV fan, if you haven't got a stock into like the commercial EV market, RMO is going to give you guys something huge to get into. And like I said, right now it's dirt cheap compared to what it should be. Like I said, this stock, there's no reason why this stock's probably not going to be $80 to $100, maybe even more in the near future. Why is RMO so exciting versus other EV startups? According to independent study by consulting company Roland Berger, RMO's battery packs lead all competitors in terms of gravimetric energy density, including Tesla's current battery. So their battery right now has a better gravimetric energy density than even Tesla's does, essentially offering best-in-class energy output for their given mass. RMO actually has two big similarities to the aforementioned latch. First, through their very early in terms of production revenues, RMO has already contracted $554 million in future revenue, with $2.2 billion under advanced negotiations. So they already got like a big cap coming up. Like I said, this company is going to be is literally going to be rolling pretty soon. As you can even see right now, even on tip ranks, you know the guys already have this as a low of 40, a high of 40. Usually, when this means it can even go higher than that. Like I said, right now it is trading for $8.44 a share. They have it as a low mark at $40 a year from now. So more than double your money in 12 months. It's hard to over 100% your money in 1 year, especially if you're more getting a long-term a long-term hold if it's what you want to do. Obviously, save you some money on some of them their tax dollars that they like to get you with the capital tax. Again, like I said, if this is something up your alley, EV, if you haven't gotten into the EV commercial market yet, RMO Power is where you want to be. Next up, we got Esports Entertainment Group. Esports Entertainment Group operates as an online gambling company in Canada. The company offers esports entertainment, esports wagering, and iGaming and traditional sports betting services, as well as professional and amateur esports events. It also operates via.gg, an online esports wagering website. The company was formerly known as V Gambling Inc. and changed its name to Esports Entertainment Group in May of 2017. Obviously, as you guys know, the esports market right now, in terms of like the gambling, online gambling, things like that, is pretty much ramping up across almost a lot of states. Even where I live in Tennessee, it just went live this year. So you can now gamble online, whether that be, football games or anything like that. But now you can also gamble with gaming and things like that. So if you're looking to get into an esports market, like I said, this company is really good. You should definitely think about doing this. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I just do my own research and invest in great companies that I think are going to grow within the next year. This article says Esports Entertainment Group, an esports entertainment and online gambling operator, today announced its VIE.bet and SportsNation.com brands are now approved to market and operate their services in more than 150 jurisdictions globally through the company's gaming services license. So they just got everything going on the 29th of January. They just came out and said this. So like again, like I said, this company's going to be growing and probably going to be doubling in size. Obviously, if you've seen DraftKings is shooting up the ranks right now in terms of the market. This right here could be right behind it. Again, this is an esports gaming thing, so obviously it doesn't have to do with like, it's not the exact same thing as DraftKings, but it's in that same market. The move greatly expands the reach of ViaBet and Sports Nation offerings, commented Grant Johnson, CEO of Esports Entertainment Group. We are particularly excited to see the team at Sports Nation bring their marketing expertise and innovation rewards systems outside the UK for the first time. Our initial focus will be in South and Central America and Northern Eastern Europe, together representing a substantial multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Again, like I said, if this is something up your alley, you should definitely do some research into this. It's ticker GMBL, but like I said, this is probably going to double within the next year, maybe even triple. Next up, we got Applied Genetic Technologies. This is a really, really good company. I'll lead you guys about it. Applied Genetic Technologies Corporation, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops transformational genetic therapies in patients suffering from rare, debilitating diseases. The company's advanced product candidates consist of 3 developmental programs across 2 targets, including X-linked, which has completed phase 1 and 2 clinical trials, and that is in its phase 1 and 2 clinical trials. It is also developing a optogenogenic product candidate for the patients with advanced retinal diseases. Like I said, if you guys are looking for something in the biotech area, AGTC is going to be probably more than doubling or tripling your money's worth in the next year. I'll also read this article real quick, man. A biotechnology company conducting human trials of the adeno-associated virus based in gene therapies for the treatment of rare diseases. Today announced that it will report financial results. So they have their financial results coming up on February 11th. Again, if this is something you want to be watching out for, definitely watch out for the February 11th and be watching the ticker AGTC. Like I said, this thing is going to be rolling pretty soon. It's going to be rolling fast. They have their FDA clearings come up and things like that. And I'll just show you this over here. Right now it is where's this thing? Right now it's trading for $5.27. The outlook for the high is $30 next year. The average is 21. So it could even go higher than the high right there. But you're probably a pretty good average. At least even if it goes to 21 bucks, you've quadrupled your money in a year. Again, this is a great company. You should definitely be looking out for it. Applied Genetic Technologies, ticker AGTC. Those are 3 great companies if you guys are looking for a little bit more long-term investments and investments that are going to grow and maybe even triple or quadruple your investment into the companies. These are 3 great companies. Again, I've done a lot of research on them. You guys should do your own research as well. I will be putting my own money on these as well. But again, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. So, I'm just some weird guy on the internet who likes to do a lot of, investing into great companies. Again, if you guys could, make sure to smack the thumbs up on the video. Also, if you're not a sub, hit the sub button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.